Okay, so we just come to a Ford Fiesta. This is actually a 13 model, 2013. Just open the car. We've got the code. So this is actually an 8 of 13. So I think that is a transition year. All keys lost. And we found the code, so now we're going to cut the key on the machine. I've just put the transponder in there, which is a 4D 63 80-bit, so I've got 2 keys ready to go. I've got the code up there on Instacode, and what we're going to do now is we're going to send the data to the machine. I'm going to cut the key, send it, go to the van, put this in, just clean that a little bit. Yeah, put that there, and this should work. Process this side of the key, and we're going to cut the other key. Just while we're cutting the other side of the key, we might as well get the Smart Pro and get that set up ready to go. We'll turn that on. Get the cable. OBD port's just located here. Plug this in, check which way it goes. Okay, it's in. Connect that. That other key's just finished now. So let's get that going again. Okay, that's done. Lock this up, make sure it's flat. Start, go. Just do it. Okay, let's try this key. I might just give it a bit of a buff. It actually looks like a pretty good cut, but we'll just try that. Okay, works fine. Check the ignition. Yep. We'll just give that a bit of a buff while we're waiting. Put the PIN number into the car. So far I've been on the job for probably about 8 minutes. So I'll give the key a bit of a buff. As soon as I can find a battery. Doesn't matter. Grab that. Got the remotes ready to go. Okay, just get that key out. Clean that. Start. Got the remotes and the keys. Transponder's already put into the remotes, as I said before, so I might as well just click that up and that's done. We'll just give this a couple more minutes. So while that's going, let's put the key into the car. So somewhere immobilised, the light should be somewhere. No, don't care. Definitely doesn't start. Where is the immobiliser light? Oh, no key detected, okay. Alright, let's get it started. So Ford, Fiesta, Fiesta, bladed Crocs, LZ, connect, switch ignition on, it's on, that's the indicator, the wipers, okay, erase keys. Yes, yes. We're going to grab the other key. Okay, so this is as quick as I can do it. Okay, security wait time, 3 minutes. Let's click these keys together while we're waiting. There we have it. Need to turn these wipers off. That one's going. Alright, and what we'll also do is we'll jump into the car and we'll close the door, close the back of the van, because I'm in a car park. Okay, so just close the van. I'm gonna wait for 3 minutes. Cleared, key successful. Okay, cycle to program and finish. Okay, take it out, put it back in. Okay, that's one key. Uh-oh. This one's not cut properly. Damn it, I should have checked that. So we're only going to have one key now because it's going to time out. I've just seen that the key wasn't put in correctly and the cuts are not deep enough on both sides actually. So that's a problem. We're going to have to recut this key. That's how it should look. Okay. How annoying. That in there, clean it. That's why I don't turn the machine off, you know. I don't turn the machine off until I'm absolutely finished. Enter, start. We'll just check it this time. So normally this wouldn't happen. So now you can hear it's actually cutting deeper. So I don't know, maybe I just didn't put it in properly or whatever the case may be. Yeah, you can see that it's actually now cutting the correct depth on the key. There's 2 lines just there. So that goes, we'll check it and have a look. Yeah, it's a lot better. So unfortunately, we're going to have to probably go through the 3-minute wait time again, and that is very hard to do this while filming on the mobile phone too. Okay, let's do it. Start. So I think now with that mistake, you're probably up to about 13-14 minutes, I'd say. All keys lost. Not every car is speedy, but this is just a video to see how quickly I can do it. And obviously there's one little mistake there that I didn't put the key in correctly, so it's just cost me a bit of time, which, you know, really wouldn't happen normally. Alright, let's check it. Yep, looks good. Alright, let's check it in the door lock. Check it in the door lock. Yep, works good. Okay, so we're still in security mode. Let's put it in there. Press the cycle, turn it off. Press OK when finished. Let's just do this again. Put it in there, cycle it, take it out. Put it in. Other one, take it out. Okay, let's press finish. Procedure failed. Okay, so let's try again. Put the key in, turn it on. Erase all keys. Let's just try add keys actually. Turn ignition off. Off. Switch ignition on with the key to be programmed. Okay, it's on. Should see a key indicator light. Okay, 3 minutes. So that was it. That's annoying. That's annoying. Oh, come on. Smart Pro just restarted. So clearly this is going to fail. Why did it restart? Jeez. Trying to do a speedy video and you know, the key was cut wrong, now the Smart Pro's restarting. It's hot today. Pin number. Huh. I think the last update that I did, when you go to put the pin number in, but now the screen's not working. Oh, this is not good. This is not good. Do we have any keys that work? I've got one key that works. Okay, car's on. Might actually just run it because it is low on voltage. Now we're up to 13. Good with the air conditioner actually. It's hot today. Okay, let's turn that off. We've got one key. Let's see, do we have another key? I don't think we do. We do. We've got two keys. Okay, so it did fail. The programmer did fail. The thing did shut off. But right now we've got two keys. So that is that. I'm going to disconnect the programmer. Oh, let's just see. So just touch. Nothing happens. Settings works. Okay. Home. Uh-oh. The other night I did an update on the Smart Pro and I went to put the pin number in and it just highlighted on one button of my pin number and that was it. That's all it did. So I can't select the vehicle. Let's try the other hand. Just clean my hands. No. OBD? No. This is not good. Hold focus. It says it's 4 o'clock. That's because it's not syncing the time. Okay. Home. This is not good. Alright, well that's it. I'll just quickly program these remotes. So basically open, close the door, open the door, leave it on 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times, sorry. Should hear a beep. Okay, let's try it. Lock, unlock. Yep. Okay, unlock. Okay, boot opens. Let's just test. Oh, number plate. The boot opens. Boot's locked. Try and get the number plate out of the thing. Double press. Okay, fine. Let's lock the car. Lock. Unlock. Okay. Next key. Lock. Unlock. Beautiful. Key works. See the lights going as well. Yeah. Alright, that's it. 2013 Fiesta. Car runs. Lights on. Car works. So what a bit of a debacle with the Smart Pro. Alright, well we'll do another update and see what happens. Alright, cheers, thanks for watching.